The all-new Range Rover is in demand, isn't it? But we get the even rarer models. This is the P400 long wheelbase 7-seater Range Rover, the first ever Range Rover that has been produced with 7 seats. This car's a 400 horsepower petrol engine finished in Santorini Black with Caraway beautiful leather. And look at this, press of a button, beautiful tilted seats, and then you've got them 2 extra seats in the back which are heated. You've got charging points, you've got bags of leg room. Look at that, pure luxury. And with the car being a long wheelbase, look at the size of the doors. All memory electric seats for the rear passengers. All 7 seats are heated. Blinds, just luxury. And this car's a 400. It's got sliding sunroof. It's got technology pack. It's got heads-up display. It's got clear sight camera. It is beautiful inside. I love this interior as well. It's called Caraway. I've actually ordered one of these cars with this interior. It's exceptional. And I'm getting more and more customers asking us for this interior. I just think it suits the car. The car's got the 23-inch wheels. The car's got the shadow line exterior styling package. It is stunning. It's done 500 miles. It's a couple of days old. Call me. You can come and get this car. And if you want to own, I think there's one other car available in the UK with 7 seats. It's £20,000 more expensive than this car. It's available. It's ready. You can ring me direct on this number and come and collect it. It's the new Range Rover anyway, so we've got all that luxury and all the benefits you get with that, but this is such a different example just because of the length. So you can see on that back door just how much longer it is. You've got them 7 seats and it's got the specification. Wheels, key option, I mentioned it earlier, 23-inch wheels, shadow line, exterior styling. So we've got the shadow line on the badging, on the grille and on the inserts running across the front bumper. Digital LED headlights with sweeping lights as well on the front. What a car. Full surround camera system, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, soft closed doors. And it's all keyless entry. You've got them new deployable handles. And then as we get on inside, you've got memory seats, you've got your Meridian sound system. Oh, what a car. Keyless start. And then obviously you've got the Caraway interior, which is broken up beautifully, so the centre section's in Caraway. You've got your heated steering wheel. This car's got the technology pack, which is an optional extra, so you've got heads-up display, clear sight camera, wireless charging, so you can drop your phone down there as well. I'm just going to show you the roof as well. Has got a darker roof lining, which I think works lovely. So you've got the Caraway, but then you've got the slightly darker running throughout the top. You've got the sliding sunroof. And then you've got, you know, all the new features and new elements that you get. I'm just going to shut this door. Soft closed doors. So we've got heated steering wheel, you've got adaptive cruise control, you've got your new 11.4-inch screen in the centre there, which has got your Apple CarPlay, cabin lighting, which is your new, I'll just quickly show you, your new interior lighting, which you can change, all the different colours. Camera system is absolutely fantastic. As you can see, you've got full surround, top view and 3D camera system. Heated seats, front, I'm just going to go into this actually and show you. So if we go into seats, this car's a 7-seater, so we've got 3rd row, so we've got front seat heated, 2nd row heated and 3rd row, which can be adjusted from the front and from the rear as well. Again, it's very strange having a Range Rover, first Range I've ever sat in, which has got 7 seats, because you normally, you know, you're talking about a Discovery or something along them lines. In the back, you know, I've showed you there. I love how it looks really long as well. You know, what a car. We go and adjust. So at the moment the seats are up. All this can be adjusted. So let me just show you this. You can get a lovely Land Rover brolly, which I'm going to give you as well. So at the moment, if we want to drop these seats down, there's a button at the top which says 4, so you can drop 4 seats down if you wish. Air suspension button. Let's just drop these 2 down for now. Look how easy this is. Press of a button, like that, and then you've got all that load space. Look at the size of that. So even if you're not going to use the 7 seats, and you're looking for a new Range Rover, but you like the idea of a long wheelbase, trust me, from a sell-on point of view, in the future for holding its value, if you don't need the 7 seat, it's so much more desirable having it with 7 seats. Santorini Black, Caraway interior, it's just an awesome car. It's going to go live. You can call me direct. You can reserve it. You can come and collect it. P400, 400 brake horsepower, new generation Range Rover, but with 7 seats. Thank you for watching.